If you're looking for honest Institute of 3D Printing reviews, these are real clients' results and experiences growing their profitable 3D printing businesses.
When I first got into the printer and printing, I was watching all these YouTube videos and I'm like, this is bad information. You know, if you got a little business insight and have your own business, you're like, some of these influencers really don't know what they're talking about. And then I get into this course and I'm like, this is the gold I've been looking for.
When I met Ed and talked to him, I knew he was a straight shooter and he could help me get there. I'm scaling and I don't want to do it too fast so I can handle it.
Like making a decision to be part of this program. Like I was fighting Sarah for almost a year. We need to figure out a way to be successful and we need a roadmap to do it. She's like, it's too expensive. And I'm like, it's not, but you know, I can't argue with you at this point. And now I made the decision and I'm in the program and I already see results.
I have sold 170 units of beads so far, and the cheapest one I got is $21.
But yesterday after lunch, we sold to 27 altogether. So I didn't expect that.
That's cool.
How does that compare to other product launches in the past?
Sometimes there was a few weeks before we sold first item. Definitely best launch ever.
I started just getting more stuff and I think I came up with like 25 ideas. That's probably the most valuable skill to have.
You're not throwing crap at the wall. You're trusting data. You're looking at the analytics. So you're confident okay, this is going to work. We've done the research. Like if you don't take the course, like you're just throwing crap at the wall and hope something sticks, really.
What I really like about the Institute of 3D Printing, it's not so much learning about how to 3D print because we can all do that. Everything's so user-friendly, but learning a method and having some discipline about it.
Like you said, like once you have your mind kind of set in that mode, you're like, ideas are coming from everywhere.
I don't think you can injection mold something that's got that many holes in it. I got the print time down to half of what it was.
And it's interesting, isn't it? How you can have the best of all worlds. It can be lighter, faster to print, take up less space, take up less material, be cheaper to make, and look better, and potentially even function better.
It was exactly what I was looking for. The naming is perfect, the accelerator.
Yesterday, we had a huge success with it. We sold 15 Ethernet wall mounts and 12 rotor wall mounts.
We appreciate you, Ed. We feel like you're a quality person and it's a quality program and we're really appreciative of it.
You could hire people to do the printing, you can hire people to do the boxing and the fulfilling, but the process that we're learning in this course, I feel like is the most valuable skill to have.
Good luck. It's a great program. Trust me. From a guy that can spot bullshit because he's full of bullshit, the Institute of 3D Printing is a real legit thing that can, if you'll just do it, stick to the program, listen to Ed, don't spread yourself out, but it's all there for you, and good luck.